Hello seekers, welcome back. Welcome to one of Sri Lanka's best-kept secrets, Olu Ella Waterfall. Hidden in the heart of Yatiyanthota, this enchanting waterfall is a stunning display of nature's power and beauty. Known as one of the tallest waterfalls in the country, Olu Ella offers more than just picturesque views. It's a sanctuary of biodiversity, a place for thrill seekers, and a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle. Join us on this journey as we explore the hidden beauty of Olu Ella, an adventure through dense forests, scenic trails, and panoramic views that will take your breath away. If you're ready to experience nature at its finest, let's dive in. Our journey begins along the main road leading into Yatiyanthota, a tranquil town nestled within Sri Lanka's Sabaragamua province. Known for its breathtaking landscapes, Yatiyanthota is surrounded by dense rainforests, rolling hills, and countless rivers that snake through the verdant terrain. This quiet town is like a hidden jewel, untouched and pure, offering visitors a glimpse of the island's rich natural beauty. As we drive through Yatiyanthota, the sights and sounds of nature seem to welcome us. The main road is lined with small, inviting tea stalls and local shops, each with its own charm and character. Life here flows at a slower, more peaceful rhythm, a far cry from the busyness of city life. With each turn on this winding road, we're treated to scenes that feel straight out of a painting. Here, the road hugs the contours of the hills, revealing new, beautiful angles at every bend. Surrounded by this untouched greenery, you can't help but feel connected to the peaceful pulse of Yatiyanthota. As we continue deeper into Yatiyanthota, the journey itself becomes part of the experience. This road leads us further into a world where nature dominates, offering a rare chance to disconnect and simply take in the quiet beauty of this hidden part of Sri Lanka. As you make your way towards Olu Ella, the beauty of the environment grows more enchanting with every turn. The road gently curves, guiding you deeper into the heart of nature. On either side, towering trees create a canopy, their branches swaying in the breeze, almost as if they're inviting you to explore. The sunlight filters through the leaves, casting a golden glow on the vibrant green forest floor. It's a sight that feels almost magical, a natural masterpiece that seems too perfect to be real. The air here is so fresh, you can almost taste the purity as you breathe it in. The path ahead is lined with dense, untouched greenery, where the only sounds you hear are the chirping of birds and the rustling of leaves. It's a place where time slows down, and the serenity of the surroundings makes you feel as though you've entered another world. As you pass by local villages, the simplicity and charm of the area shine through. Traditional homes made of natural materials dot the hillside, blending seamlessly with the environment. The people here live in harmony with nature, creating a peaceful existence that you can't help but admire. As you venture further along the winding road, the landscape transforms once again. The gentle hills become steeper, and the mountains loom larger, their peaks often hidden by a soft mist. It's a place where nature's raw beauty is on full display, and every corner holds a new discovery. The lush landscape here is unlike any other, with the mist rolling over the mountains and the scent of fresh earth filling the air. It's a reminder that you're in a place that remains largely untouched by the outside world, preserving its natural beauty and timeless charm. Watch as the beautiful scenery of nature unfolds before your eyes. The vast mountains, covered in layers of lush greenery, seem to stretch forever. From this height, you can see the intricate dance of shadows and sunlight across the valleys below, creating a constantly changing tapestry of light and color. The air is filled with the sweet scent of nature, and as the breeze whispers through the trees, leaves dance through the air in a graceful, slow-motion ballet. It's a sight so peaceful that it makes you feel as if you've stumbled upon a secret world, one that's untouched by the chaos of the outside. As the journey continues, you'll notice the sky starts to change. The clouds grow heavier, gathering in dark shades of gray and hinting at the approaching rain. There's something incredibly mesmerizing about the way these clouds move across the sky, swirling and shifting over the mountaintops, bringing with them the promise of refreshing showers. Just off the path, hidden amongst the thick greenery, there's a small, tranquil water spring. It's one of those places you might miss if you're not paying attention, but it's a gem. The water here is so pure, it almost looks like it's straight from a dream. You can see the water bubbling up from the ground, its surface sparkling as it catches the light. It's like a secret little oasis nestled in the heart of nature. The sound of the water gently flowing over the rocks adds another layer of tranquility to the surroundings. It's so peaceful here, with the soft gurgle of the spring blending perfectly with the quiet hum of nature. It feels as though time itself has slowed down, giving you a chance to pause and take in the serenity of this hidden spot. The clarity of the water is stunning. You can see every little ripple, every movement of the current. The spring looks almost untouched, as if it's been there for centuries, silently nourishing the land around it. The water flows steadily, as if it's in no rush, reminding us of the simple, timeless rhythms of nature. As we continue our journey through Yatiyanthota, we can't miss the sight of the sprawling tea estates that define this region. The landscape here is truly unique, with the gentle, rolling hills covered in vibrant green tea plants as far as the eye can see. These estates have been a part of Sri Lanka's history for centuries, creating some of the finest tea in the world. These tea estates are a testament to the rich agricultural heritage of Sri Lanka. The workers here are skilled, hand-picking only the youngest, freshest leaves to ensure the highest quality. It's a labor-intensive process, but one that has been perfected over generations. The landscape of the estates is like a patchwork quilt, with rows of meticulously maintained tea plants, each carefully tended to by the workers who know these fields like the back of their hands. Look at this incredible view. The tea estates stretch across the hills in beautiful undulating patterns, creating a serene, almost hypnotic scene. The morning mist lingers in the valleys, adding a touch of mystery to the landscape. It's the kind of place that feels timeless, where nature and tradition blend seamlessly together. Driving through these estates, you'll find yourself immersed in the tranquil atmosphere of the countryside. The air is fresh and crisp, with a gentle breeze that carries the earthy scent of tea leaves. Along the roads, you'll pass small cottages and traditional tea processing factories, where the leaves are carefully dried, rolled, and processed into the tea that's known worldwide for its distinctive flavor. The workers here are not just laborers, they're part of a long-standing tradition that has shaped this region's identity. It's fascinating to see how every leaf is carefully harvested and processed, all while being surrounded by the breathtaking natural beauty of the hills. The sense of connection to the land is palpable, and it's no wonder that Sri Lankan tea is known for its rich, complex flavor. As the day draws to a close, the golden light of the setting sun casts a magical glow over the tea estates, illuminating the rows of tea bushes in a soft, warm light. There's something incredibly peaceful about this place. The gentle slope of the hills, the sound of the wind rustling through the leaves, and the timeless rhythm of tea cultivation. It's a place where nature and tradition come together in perfect harmony. And of course, no visit to these estates would be complete without a cup of freshly brewed Sri Lankan tea. It's here, amidst the hills and the endless rows of tea bushes, that some of the world's finest tea is cultivated. And sipping it, you can taste the rich history and the beauty of the land with every single drop. And here we are. This is the cemetery, a place steeped in history and mystery. The air here feels different, quieter, almost reverent. These tombstones, some weathered by time and nearly unreadable, tell silent stories of lives once lived in this area. Each one holds memories, secrets, and a glimpse into the past. Look closely, and you'll see the waterfall from a distance nestled in the heart of the landscape. This is Olu Ella. Just look at it. The sheer power and beauty of the water plunging down the cliffside. It's as if nature has carved out a masterpiece hidden in this quiet part of Sri Lanka. Standing here, you can feel the cool mist, the energy of the waterfall, and the sound. It's like thunder, yet calming, like nature's own symphony. Olu Ella isn't just another waterfall. It's one of the tallest in Sri Lanka, flowing gracefully amidst untouched forests and pristine landscapes. Each drop of water seems to come alive, dancing down the rocks, winding its way through ancient paths carved by time. It's humbling to think of how many years it's been flowing, how much history it's witnessed. And here at its base, you feel a deep sense of peace. The water is crystal clear, and the air is pure, untouched by city noise or pollution. It's a place where you can lose track of time, just sitting, watching, and listening. You almost feel as though the waterfall has secrets to share if you listen closely enough. Olu Ella is more than a destination. It's an experience, a journey into nature's heart. For anyone looking to escape, to reconnect, or to simply marvel at the raw beauty of the world, Olu Ella is a reminder of the untouched wonders that still exist. It's truly a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. And here, as you approach Olu Ella, you'll come across this charming wooden bridge, a simple yet beautiful pathway that almost feels like a portal into nature's sanctuary. It's made of local timber, blending perfectly with the surroundings. Crossing it, you feel a sense of adventure, as if you're stepping further into a hidden world. As we leave this hidden paradise, I hope you've been able to feel just a glimpse of the beauty and tranquility that Olu Ella has to offer. There's something truly special about this place. It's not just a destination, but an experience that reconnects you with the raw, untouched splendor of nature. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Yatiyanthota and all its wonders. From the winding roads, misty landscapes, and ancient bridges, to the awe-inspiring Olu Ella Waterfall. If you ever find yourself in Sri Lanka, I encourage you to visit, to stand here and witness this beauty firsthand. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, there's a whole world out there waiting to be discovered. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Thanks for watching.